Hello, I'm Samantha Woodward and I run Think Savvy, a national HSEQ consulting practice headquartered here in Melbourne, Australia. It's been another year of resilience, adaptability and, let's face it, a fair amount of shoulder to the grindstone. As this financial year wraps up, we're reaching out to professionals and businesses just like yours to seek your advice. We're very close to finishing our long-awaited webinar series called Critical Conversations: Risk, Reality, Results, Rethinking Safety Before a Crisis Hits. We've been working on this webinar series for the first half of this year, and we're finally going to wrap it up and put the finishing touches on it. We're anticipating that we will be releasing this around mid-July. But here's the thing, before we finalise the content, we really do want to hear from you. We've had some excellent feedback on previous webinars, but we want to make sure that we're providing you with content that is useful to you and your work environment. Whether you're in health, safety, ESG, operations or leadership, your insights help us understand what really matters on the ground. We're not selling anything. This is your opportunity to shape the conversation and help define the challenges, innovations and opportunities across the industry. It only takes a couple of minutes, and in return we'll share back a short insight summary. No fluff, just what your peers are seeing and prioritising for FY25. We want to know briefly what worked well for you and some challenges you might have faced this financial year. Because we're future focused at Think Savvy, we also want to understand what your top priorities might be for the financial year ahead. Lastly, and by no means least, we know that regulations are coming along across the country, creating with them a significant industry focused around psychosocial safety. We're keen to briefly know your initial thoughts about that as well. We know the end of the financial year can feel like a box to tick. Reports to be filed, budgets closed, goals reviewed. But we believe it's also one of the most valuable moments to pause and reflect, not just on what your business has done, but on what your sector is learning. When we bring these stories together, we get a clearer picture of what's working, what's shifting, and what leaders like you are prioritising next. And to be clear, we're not selling anything. We're inviting a conversation. We're listening closely, and we're building something more useful than assumptions. We're building an evidence-based snapshot of where the industry focus is heading. So if you've got 2 minutes, we'd love to hear from you. The survey is quick, but it's not superficial. These are the questions that help us understand what's really going on in your business and what leaders across the sector are focused on as we head into FY25-26. Your anonymised responses, combined with others, will form a collective picture of current priorities, emerging challenges and shared wins. That's why we're asking, because your experience, your insight and your challenges don't exist in a vacuum. It's the kind of insight that helps us all move forward smarter, faster and better informed. So if you've got 2 minutes and a few clicks, we'd love to have your voice in the mix. If there's anything that's not clear or you would like to discuss something further, please don't hesitate to reach out and give us a call or send us an email. We'll only be too happy to help. Thanks again for your contribution, and we can't wait to see what the current industry sentiment looks like.